Hi, my name is Jennifer Torres, and I attended the T10 program at Miami Lakes Educational Center. Being in this program has changed my life completely. I have learned so much from my teacher and my peers, including my classmates and my coworkers, of course. Being in this class has taught me so much as far as discipline and strength. My teacher was a very good teacher, and he did have a lot of resources, so I did feel very prepared when I transferred to a more complex brand. Currently saving up to buy a house one day, and I get to travel multiple times throughout the year, so that's also a bonus. But besides that, besides the materialistic things, I do value the connections I've made with people throughout time. So I've met important people. I've gotten to travel around the country to meet different people in the field. Like I said, the job placement did change my life a lot, because without it, I wouldn't be evolving this much and growing this much in a specific brand, or learning from so many people. So that's how attending this technical college changed my life.